In this tutorial video we will see how students can submit their assignments and how teachers can view the submitted assignment. So the students will have to go to menu, then go to academics. Under academics they can see the option of assignment. Under assignment they can see all the assignments that they have submitted or answered previously, or the assignments that were created previously for the student. The status due means that the student has not answered the assignment. Accepted means the student answered the assignment and it was accepted by the teacher. And if the status shows as rejected, it means the answer was submitted by the student and the teacher has rejected the assignments. So in case to submit the assignment again, if it is rejected, you can go and click on this resubmit link to resubmit the assignment. So now because you are having 1 day due date still available, so you will be able to resubmit. If the assignment's due date crosses, you will not be able to resubmit the assignment or submit the assignment. So you can go on the resubmit link. And once you are there on the resubmit link, you will be able to see the questions. If you want to attach an answer sheet, you can click on this add file and then click on choose file, and then you can attach from the answer sheet that you might have written on a piece of paper or your PDF file. You can attach that answer sheet by selecting the file. If you want to add one more file, you can add one more file. You can attach of 10 MB. And once you have attached the files and if you have answered the questions, you can click on submit answers. So as you can see, the answer is yet to be evaluated. Once the teacher evaluates, accepts or rejects, you will be able to see the change in the status of the assignment. So now we can see there is a new assignment created today. So you can click on this assignment and then you can see there is an attachment which has all the question papers for this specific assignment. So student can click on this and they can download the assignment file. After going through the questions, they can submit their answer by clicking on this answer this assignment link, and they can give the title. They can give a details. So if you have answered in the PDF files, you can click on choose file and select the answer file. So once you have selected, you can click on the submit answer. So this is how students are going to submit their answer sheets, the assignments after they receive from their respective teachers in the assignment module in the school URL. Thank you. In this tutorial video, we will see how teachers can send assignment to the students and how the students will be able to respond to the assignments that will be sent to the students. So you need to click on the menu, then go to academics and click on assignment. Under assignment, you can click on the create new assignment to create a new assignment, or if you have already created any assignments, you can go and check back in the subjects list. So we'll first create a new assignment. Now suppose we are going to create the assignment for Hindi. Suppose you can mention the title as you want and you can select the students or you can select all. If you have any question paper created in a PDF format, you can attach a file by clicking on choose file. So after you have uploaded the PDF or the assignment file where you have created the assignment questions, you can either write down the questions in this content as well. So after filling the content and the attached file, you can go to the due date. Like suppose you want to give the due date as tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that is 20th of October, and you can click on create new assignment. So once you have created the assignment, you can go to the subject, and under the subjects you will be able to see the assignments that you have created. And when you go to this details of this assignment, you can see this has been assigned to 18 total students, out of which 0 has been answered, and this is pending for 18 students. Now we'll go and see some of the assignments which have been submitted already. So if you go to the mathematics assignment which was created previously, and if you go into this, we can see there are 2 students who are assigned and one has answered, so and the answer was rejected by the teacher, and one is still pending from the student's end. So you will be able to keep the records and see the records anytime at any time, any place. If you want to make changes to the assignment, you can click on the edit and you can make the changes in between also. So how to accept or reject an assignment? So for that we will go to other assignment, and now we can see here that there are total 13 assigned students, out of which one has answered and it is still pending. So we'll click on the name of the student. When you click on the name of the students, you will see the details of his assignment, that he has answered this. If you would have attached an answer sheet, you will be able to get that answer sheet and you can download and see his answers. After reading, if you want, you can reject the answer or you can accept the answer, and if it is rejected, the student has to submit the answer again, which will come for approval once again to you, and then you can accept the answer. So we'll accept this answer. So the answer has been accepted for this specific student. So now we go back to the assignments page, and if we go back and check the English assignment records, so we can check that it has been accepted by the teacher. So like this you can send assignments to the student and accept or reject the student's assignment for the teachers to send and accept assignments. Thank you.